Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Shopify. The report was first published on our website Friday, May 13, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Shopify? In this video you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental situation in addition to future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Our systems currently rank the Shopify stock with a minus 2.288 score, and our system has ranked Shopify sell candidate since April 6, 2022. In this period the stock has had a loss of minus 38.70%. This is an average return of minus 1.43% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Shopify, our last headline reads, on Friday Shopify Inc. stock price gained impressive 13.85%. The Shopify Inc. stock price gained 13.85% on the last trading day, Friday, May 13, 2022, rising from $353.51 to $402.48. And has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 9.79% from a day low at $372.18 to a day high of $408.63. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a minus 5.7% loss for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by minus 3 million shares, and in total, 6 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.47 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $1,762.92, and the lowest price was $308.06. Right now the price is 77.17%, or $1,360.44, below 52-week high at $1,762.92, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 35.87% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 50.66% and minus 7.23%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 46.55% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between minus 58.54% and 58.95%. This equals a price between $166.87 and $639.72 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Shopify stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Shopify stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Shopify. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, May 11, 2022, and so far it has risen 26.33%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Shopify Inc. stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $534.18. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $362.94. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal not applicable days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 27 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 23 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 108 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 107 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Shopify. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $377.49 and $353.51. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Shopify Inc. finds support just below today's level at $377.49. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $353.51 and $340.04. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $36.45 between high and low, or 9.79%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 13.97%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Shopify. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Shopify currently has a price-earning ratio of 11.83. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Shopify meets first resistance at $413.09. If you do not hold Shopify shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Shopify finds first level of support at $377.49, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Shopify is buy. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Shopify stock a buy? Shopify Inc. holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 16th, we expect Shopify to open down -$8.05 and start trading at $394.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember that anyone leaving a company stand the chance of winning a lifetime subscription worth $495 to our services. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.